Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. What's going on, Jay Beneby? How you doing? Happy Monday, everyone. Everyone smash the like button on your way in. Appreciate you guys for joining. Alright, let's get into some charts, guys. I will say, the market, a little bit boring, Bitcoin currently trading at 83,900, essentially, depending on where you look. Let me get my webcam on here. Hey. What's going on, Chewy? What's going on, Jay? All right, Bitcoin. Let me get this out of here. 83,895 and 19 cents. Kind of chilling. We're in kind of a, I don't know, what do you call that? An ascending wedge. It'll be interesting to see what this turns into. The confluence up top is a little messy. 50-50 as to whether or not I really care for this. Black Hat said YZY coin. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Just remind me, because I'll probably forget. Bitcoin dominance, 61.68%. It's having trouble getting above 62. It really can't really do anything. I wouldn't be surprised to see another run for the orange trend line, hopefully reject here, and then that can be the final rejection. If you'll notice, we broke above here, did a little M, couldn't quite hold above 62, broke back down, got some of our support right here, held that, used that as a springboard. Another attempt, 62% failed. Another attempt, 62% failed so bad that it was a wick, got sold immediately, and then this is going to be the third attempt. It either is going to go up here and make an even longer wick, or it's going to go and stop at the orange trend line, which is a legacy trend line that we've been keeping an eye on for quite some time. Fail that and hopefully continue down. Chewy said, dump dominance. JJ, I'm tired of waiting. I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting too. I'm equally as tired as you are. Bitcoin, let's do a quick update of our liquidation heat map. If you guys will notice, you could probably go through one stream per week since I started, and you can see how many tabs I've lost over time. We don't even keep Dex Screener open anymore because the Memecoin movement has all but died entirely, which is kind of sad. That was a big chunk of the market. It looks like liquidation heat map might be broken. It could be my computer though. That's very possible. We'll come back to it in a little bit. Bitcoin 83,852 even, chilling. We got the daily close contest coming up in about 21 minutes. Ethereum is up 1.97%, looking relatively decent. Having some trouble getting above 1950, it's looking like. We got a red candle at the moment. RSI might hit support on that yellow line or even at 50 in the middle. Nothing crazy. Sol is up 1.41%, holding 125 nicely. Want to see it make another run for 135, break above and hold. Until then, we're just keeping an eye on it. Total 3 is breaking out of this potential upper trend line that we've had for quite some time, actually. Following the fractal very, very precisely. I would not be surprised to see this actually follow and start grinding up. We might see Wednesday be a little bit of a poopy day. Tuesday might be a really nice day. I don't know. We'll have to see. This is all entirely dependent on how tight we follow this fractal, the existing fractal. But for now, we're just chilling. Cardano's up 1.52%. A lot of indecisive candles on Cardano right here. It's looking a little dicey, a little spicy. There's literally extremists on both sides of the fence now. SNEK is looking good. I got some upsetting news today. Ourbit is removing their futures contract for SNEK, so I can no longer leverage trade SNEK. I'm very, very upset about it. So I've removed my Ourbit referral link from the description. They can go F themselves. I think their exchange sucks. So sign up for BitUnix because it's way better. Link in the description. XRP is up 1.8%. Looking good. A lot of indecisive candles on XRP as well. We got the 3 crosses here. Very biblical on XRP. 3 crosses here. Nothing crazy. Nothing to write home about. 2 very similar patterns, though. We saw this breakdown. Are we going to see this breakdown? I don't know. Is the indecisiveness going to end? Right now, this has just been nothing but chop, 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 chop. It seems to be getting tighter and tighter every single time. Would love to see part of this chart just finally wake up. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for joining. We are currently sitting at 846 subscribers. We are 154 subscribers away from our goal of 1,000 subs, which is pretty sick. Zhao said crypto needs to hurry up. It is the ultimate time capitulation, Zhao. It's working. HBAR is apparently somehow up 3.19%, even though it looks like it's at the same price that it's been at since mid-February. But trading at 19 cents, I would love to see this thing springboard up to 22 and hold above it. As of right now, we're just kind of watching it play around with psychological levels. Sweet is up 5.62%, same as HBAR, even though it's at the same price. It's actually lower than where it's been since like mid-February. Sweet is struggling. We got this nice ascending support line though, so hopefully that gives us some upwards momentum to break through 250, use that as support, and head for 275. Keep an eye on that. Ondo is up 5%, holding nicely above this. Is this horizontal? 84 level? 85 is probably going to be psychological. As long as we stay above that, we can make a run for 90, but it does kind of look like a reversal candle right now. We'll keep an eye on it, though. Arrow is up 2.15%. This thing, I don't know what the heck this thing even does. I feel like I want to say Polkadot was more depressing, but this thing's pretty damn depressing. I'm not going to lie. Arrow is upsetting to look at. There's some nice buy wicks right here, though. These wicks down below, that shows that people are buying once it gets below 50 cents. So maybe it's a buy below 50. They did the same thing right here, though, below 55. So we'll see. We'll see. Render's up 3.57%. This thing's got a an uptrend. I don't know how great of an uptrend that is, though. I want to see this get back above 350, continue to the upside. For now, it's just kind of playing around in a range. Polkadot up 1.74%. Polkadot struggling to get above 444. Big point of confluence at the moment. If it can get above 444, solidify that as support, then it can continue to the upside. And maybe, just maybe, continue this potential trajectory. I'd say that that's probably dead by now. Maybe we can do one of these. Yeah, who knows, man? Who knows? We'll see if it hits $8 around 420. That'd be sick. Regardless. Oh, 420 is not that far. Okay, maybe 420 is kind of crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, currently trading at 437. Maybe it'll hit 420 on 420. Tom Selleck's Goat said, yo, what's going on, Tom Selleck's Goat? How's Tom? Smash the like button on your way in. Cash is up 3.32%. I want to see this break above the descending resistance. Decent amount of confluence here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points of confluence. That upper trend line. Where's your green hat, bro? Do I have a green hat? I don't think I have a green hat. I have a green hoodie. Green hat. Green hat. Yeah. Yeah, I do not own a green hat. Unfortunately. Happy St. Patrick's Day, though, guys. I forgot about that. My bad. I'm not Irish. You got 0 green. You're right. You are actually 100% right. I'm drinking a green Red Bull. That counts for something, right? Cheers. Avalanche is up 2.9%. It broke above this descending upper trend line. Would love to see it blast off to the upside. As of right now, Avalanche has been kind of boring. Not a lot of volume in these charts. More volume than previous, but maybe on the hat logo. I can't tell. You guys are trying to get me to take my hat off. You sneaky bastard. Let me see. I bet you the tag probably has some green on it. Let me go check. I'm checking the tag. Nope, it's red and white. No green. At least the charts are green. All right, I'm back. Okay. Yeah, Avalanche. I would love to see Avalanche just start to explode to the upside. That would be very exciting. Shrap. Uh, Shrap is actually looking relatively decent. Shrap got back above 810. It's currently at 831 at the moment. Nice uptrend on this bad boy. Tyler said, "What's happening? Currently watching while pooping at work. Thought you should know." Tyler, that is the only time that you should ever be pooping, is while you're getting paid for it. Absolute Chad, absolute legend. Welcome. Smash the like button. Um, we gotta, we have to, normalize regulating your bowels as a grown man. I think that's important. Prostate health is important. Enjoy your poop. Shrap is up 8.77%, not surprising. I would love to see it hold 810 and make a run for 10.8 for its next bust to the upside. We'll keep an eye on it. Is this the inverse head and shoulder target? If it's a janky inverse head and shoulder? Probably. Yeah, I would say that played out, especially with that long wick. It's the ugliest inverse head and shoulder I've ever seen. But we'll take it. We'll take the W. Chainlink. Chainlink is up 4.71%, looking good. Potentially set up a base here, ish. It's messy. It's messy. Tyler said, "Thanks. I get paid $1 and a dime to take a shit on company time." Hell yeah, I like it. Chainlink looking good, looking like a potential upside. These big volume buy candles got me a little excited for Chainlink. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Tom said, "Boss makes $1, I make a dime. That's why I poop on company time." Tyler kind of fudged it up. I don't know. Maybe he loses brain cells when he poops. Doge is up 3.21% on the day. Not a whole lot going on with Doge. Open along, and I would have made a decent chunk of change if I would have opened along. But he'd said, "Is everyone tired of winning yet?" We got some green in the charts. There's some green in the charts. 3.14 on Doge. I want to hype Doge up because it's Doge, but it's kind of been incredibly underwhelming. Has this inverse head and shoulders target played out? No, it has not. If we take that, yeah, this would at least have to hit like 18, I would say, in order to call that played out. But right now it kind of looks meh. It looks meh, is all. Polygonmatic pole up 1.95%. This is the flattest chart I've ever seen. Holy crap, that is so flat. I wish the best to Polygonmatic pole holders, but I'm not one of them. Not anymore. This thing died a long time ago. Very interesting to see this, though. This still blows my mind. I don't know why it was like that. I bet you it's not that far off still. But interesting to see for sure. We got 10 more minutes until the daily close contest. Near is up 5.01%. This most recent candle, 3.69. Looking nice, looking good. I'm not quite sure what to make of this Monday. It's a holiday. It's not a federal holiday, though. Yeah, we're keeping an eye on near. I see this fugly inverse head and shoulders as well. This looks like it definitely played out. It 100% played out. So near would have been a nice trade for that inverse head and shoulders. Chili's is up 3.59%. Same situation, inverse head and shoulder definitely played out. It's currently trading at 0.04555. And I would love to see it make a run for the orange trend line and break out. Silver got a little bit choppy today. MicroStrategy got a little bit choppy today. DXY got a little bit dumpy today. NASDAQ got a little bit pumpy today. And S&P got a little bit pumpy today. It looks like we are properly potentially recovering from the 20% fractal, which has only played out 10% of the way. Maybe we don't go down any further. Maybe it was just a correction. Honestly, it's looking kind of good for the stock market. I'm not going to lie. Bitcoin dominance, still struggling. Bitcoin, not doing a whole lot. Not doing a whole lot. You guys got any coins you want to look at? Anyone got any theories? I've been seeing a lot of people, dude. A lot of people are like, oh, the whale did this and the whale did that. We're trying to liquidate him. I've seen, I don't know. I have trouble giving a crap about this random one individual whale that made his name Tetherfud. Right here, we got Global Markets Investor said, retail buying has been absolutely insane. Mom and pop investors have bought a massive $8 billion in U.S. stock and ETFs in 5 days, ending March 11th. Retail investors have purchased stocks at one of the fastest rates on record. Read more below. I don't think that there's more to read. Is this an article maybe? It is. Interesting. Am I about to get scammed? As a result, 5-day moving average of retail net inflows hit 1.6 billion, the fourth largest on record in the past. The 5-day average of purchases was only higher in January 2021, March 2023, and August 2024. What people did when there wasn't much to do. Interesting. In other words, individual investors have been trying to buy the dips as the market plummeted. Will the strategy work again this time? My thoughts about that in the summary of the recent piece about the U.S. job market. Okay, interesting. I'm not going to read any more of that specific thing, but I've been getting a lot of these articles on X, a lot of these charts, and a lot of this input, and it's been super interesting to me, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. Also, just as a palate cleanser from the money markets, this was freaking delicious looking, so I'm going to share it with you guys. This dude made pizza, but the bread is just pork, and man, oh man, do I want to try it. I don't know what compelled him to try this, but my brain needs some. Look at that. Come on. That looks so good. And then the way that he cuts it. Are you ready? Come on. I want that so bad. That looks so good. Bitcoin 84, 113 and 20 cents. Let me go take a look at the chat. Cody said, what's up? What's going on, Cody? Vahid said, Sailor wants to dilute shares big time. Tyler said, can't stick around, though. I know it doesn't count, but... And then he shared his guess. He got 6 more minutes. I'll put it on the board, though. Cody said, is Sailor's new Ponzi stock bullish or for Bitcoin? Or is he being dumb using leverage again? I have no idea. I have no idea. Tom Selleck's Goat said Sailor with a tiny Bitcoin buy today. Yeah, I saw that. A lot of people were talking about the tiny Bitcoin buy. It was quite comical, actually. Like, genuinely really funny. What else do we got? This guy, I've been watching this guy. This guy had shared some information the other day about chocolate and the soil level. Something like really intricate, like over-the-top research for a stock analysis on chocolate and like some other commodity. And he was right like a week later. He showed the evidence. He's like, remember when I said this? And I've specifically remembered. And he showed all of the evidence of the pump that followed. And I was like, whoa. So I've been following this guy closely. He seems to know what he's talking about. Apparently, the United States artificial intelligence breakthrough is on the way, which I thought was pretty exciting. Because that NVIDIA is what kind of sent everything higher in the past. And I don't know. It just got me excited. Got me a little excited. Then this guy, Sensei, he's the one who's been sharing the chart for alt season. He said April, May, June, the next 3 months will be huge for altcoins. Be ready. I've just been keeping an eye on this guy as well. He's got a lot of followers. And I don't know. It's just it's a take. It's a bullish take that supports my bias. This is the chart that he's been sharing, by the way, that is claiming that we are officially about to enter alt season. So can't really argue with the logic, honestly. History doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. And then to, I guess, state the opposite information, we got this guy, global markets investor. U.S. consumer expectations about their financial situation over the next 12 months dropped to the lowest level on record. Not even during the great financial crisis of 2007-2009 were Americans so pessimistic about their financial outlook. U.S. might be going now through an economic downturn. Economic policy uncertainty index hit the second highest level on record. Previously, such a high reading was seen only in the 2020 crisis, the Great Financial Crisis, and the 2001 recession. So, very, very interesting. I will say, though, this is definitely U.S. consumers' expectations, in my opinion, just means retail. And usually when retail is bearish, we are supposed to be bullish. I'm just saying. I got one more really, really funny thing to share, but I'm gonna wait until after the daily close contest because it'll be a good laugh afterwards, after the fact. We got the daily close contest within the next 2 minutes. Let me go down to the 1 minute time frame. Here we go. 84067. Nope, still no liquidation heat map. Still broken. Still broken. Okay. Money said hello. What's up? What's going on, Money? We are getting ready for the daily close contest. Okay. Cody said his new stock offers 8% yield. STRK. Okay. Nice. Vahid said we have to be bottomed out. Have to, or it's over. And then Cody said that's crazy. Our quality of life is so much better than back then. I guess its wealth gap makes it seem worse. I don't know, man. I agree with you, Cody. The quality of life is so much better. And a lot of these weird metrics that people are using, they're like, oh my gosh, this is the worst since 1929. And I'm like, they didn't have internet back then. They didn't have technology. They hardly had electricity. Like, what a weird comparison. That is such a weird comparison. That's like talking about modern politics and like going back to like medieval times for reference. How do you compare those two things? It's so weird. Tom said, posted it in the Discord, but if you take the M2 money supply and offset it 72 days, it lines up perfectly with the Bitcoin chart. I've seen that. 72 is new. I saw 53. I've seen people move it around a couple of different times. Look at the bottom of the move. I will pull that up after the daily close because it is officially time for you guys to submit your guesses for the daily close contest. Tom, if you are not familiar with the rules, let me know and I'll go over them for you. But you officially have 5 minutes to provide your guess. You could win money. It costs you guys nothing to enter. Absolutely free, but we only take the first 10 entries. If you do not see your entry on the board, YouTube may have filtered it out. It helps to put letters and numbers like money's crazy nonsense. Just in case YouTube decides that you're a domestic terrorist or something. Because everyone knows how dangerous money is. 8, 3, 9, 4. What's gatos? 4.84. Cool. Okay. But he'd said money. That's a lot of cats and chickens. Money said 8 and 3 cats, 9 chicken, 4 maybe goats. Maybe there's like a little dyslexic, alcoholic goats in there. We got Tom Selleck's goat coming in with 84,129. I like the spacing. The spacing maybe makes it so that YouTube doesn't filter it out. Very nice. Good tactic. I like it. We got 3 spots currently filled at the moment. 7 spots remain, unless a Cornerville Chad shows up and fills an 11th spot after the close of the polls. Cody coming in with the guests. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. I appreciate you for joining. Happy Monday. I know Mondays are kind of a bummer. Tuesdays are even worse. Wednesday's actually my biggest day for my live stream. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know. People are like super stoked on a Wednesday to like get Thursday and Friday out of the way and go to the weekend. That seems to be what it is. Really quick, guys, while I got you here, highly recommend. We're going to have a video coming out soon. Highly recommend you go watch this short. We played Repo last night, and it was so freaking fun. And my fiance won, like, when you all die in the game, you have to, like, fight, and whoever is the last man standing gets to stay alive or something like that. And she, like, picked up this thing, and it started attacking her. And her scream, it was really freaking funny. It was so funny. You guys gotta go watch that, though. I was cracking up. I almost spit my drink out when that happened. You can actually hear me. I was, like, literally taking a drink, and I heard her scream in-game, and I was like... I literally almost did a spit take. It was funny, man. It was so funny. Hoff's coming in with 83,999.99. Waterfly coming in. Last minute entry 83,949. Very nice. We got 1 minute 54 seconds remaining on the clock. Is that? Yeah. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. Ooh, Index coming in with another one as well. Cody said, you tried streaming in vertical format? I've seen a lot of smaller creators doing both at the same time to gain viewers. Vertical format? Really? I have not, actually. Maybe I'll check that out. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Waterfly. Copy, copy. We got a crazy guess to decipher from Index. 8-pack. 4 snakes. I like snakes. 4 rats. I like rats as well. 4 M&M. I like M&M. Detroit represent. 4 snails. I like snails. How many numbers do you have in your Index? Index, are you okay? What is this guess? 844444.44. So you're guessing 844,000. Index, you better fix that, buddy. Because as of right now, that's your guess. Waterfly said, why no green? God damn it, you guys, I don't have green. I'm white. I'm like the whitest person in the world. I don't own green clothing. It doesn't look good on me. We got 33 seconds left on the clock. Index, fix your number. I think I might have fucked it up. You definitely fucked it up, Index. Oh, Jay Benaby coming in with a guess. Tom Selleck's Ghost, Prince of Bitcoin in 2030. $1 Bob. Who's $1 Bob? Copy. Remove 1-4, please. Just one? Are you sure? All right. Got you. Okay, yes, it is just one. You're correct. And then I got you, Jay. And then... Time's up. Time is up. A lot of guesses today. Nice. You guys came through. Absolutely killing it. Appreciate you guys for joining. Don't forget to smash the like button. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy Monday. Let's get these bad boys in order. See if I can't butcher it. 84,212. 83,944. 84,129. Copy. 84,050. Copy. 83,999. Copy. 83,949. Interesting. Waterfly coming in just above money. Very interesting tactic there. Index 84,444. Copy. Okay. Index is ultra bullish. And Jay Benaby 84,186. Copy. 84,186. Right above Tom Selleck. All right, let's get this. Make sure that this is 100% verified. Money. 83,944. Waterfly, 83,949. Hoffs, 83,999. Cody, 84,050. Tom Selleck's Goat, 84,129. Jay Benaby, 84,186. Vahid, 84,212. And Index, 84,444. 444. Bitcoin currently trading at 84,113 and 21 cents. Let me check the chat. Money said index is delusional. Bitcoin going to 1 million, guys. Vahid said 1 million Zimbabwe dollars. Money. What if I said I'm staying at a hotel named after Detroit this summer, JJ? Nice. Hop said money definitely 8 green beers in. Money said Hop. He called it, not me. Leetsfo. I don't know what that means. All right, let me do something really quick. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. All right. Okay. It is 7:57. We got less than 3 minutes remaining. And I'm wearing green. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. There you go. You happy? Are you Irish mother effers in the chat? I'm dying, man. Okay. All right. Does it count? This is green. Green. I can also change my light to green. Somehow. Bear with me. Right there. Oh, no. Right there. It's stupid. All right. We got 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining on the clock. Let me get this back to... There we go. Oh my gosh, this is like 1,000 degrees. Bitcoin currently trading at $84,054.23. That's really close to someone's guess. Oh my gosh. Cody is $4 under. Just under $4 under. 20 seconds remaining. Okay, 1 minute and 17 seconds. I think I'm okay. I think I'm good. This is going to be a close one, though. 84.54 and 23 cents. 1 minute and 9 seconds left on the clock. Oh. Let's see. Oh, boy. $42 seconds remaining. $22 seconds remaining. Do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The daily close, $84,010.03. Making our winner, Michael Hofferica, $84.10 and 3 cents. That is correct. Congratulations, Hops. Gaining the victory and gaining first place once more. Very cool. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat for Hops. Let's see. My actual price is 84,010.03. Congratulations, Hops, on your victory. Very cool. Very nice. Spam the bananas, guys. Spam the bananas. Let's see. I want to see bananas spammed in that chat. Congratulations, Hops, on your victory. Today, you won. Today, you won. A Coney dog. Woohoo! This is a Flint Detroit classic. Everybody loves a Coney dog. A little bit of onion, a little bit of chili, a little bit of mustard. Very cool, very nice. Everybody loves a Coney dog. Let's go down to the 4 hour again. And let me add Hoff's victory to the victory table. Is that what it's called? The victory sheet. Oh yeah, Hoff's only gets small prizes because of his trade. Here we go. Okay, let me add him to the sheet. This is Hoff's second victory in a row. Officially claiming first place for the year at this very moment. Hoff's currently has 10 victories. This is the first individual to reach double-digit victories for the year. Congratulations, Hoff's. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy double digits. Happy Monday. And happy Coney dog. Very cool. All right. Cody, yes, it is closest without going over. Yep. Fahid said, I'll have my vengeance. He's going to plot right now. He's going to go and do all the crazy math. Cody said, JJ, what was the name of the Discord bot you used to send people ADA and Pussycoin on? TipCC. Tip.cc. I have a Coney Island hot dog steamer. Nice. Yeah, I actually distributed a shit ton of ADA during the bear market via TipCC, and I was not aware how much ADA I had sent people. And then Anderson started pointing it out, and everyone started pulling up their balances, and everyone had like a couple hundred ADA, and I was like, what the hell did I do? I easily probably sent like a couple thousand Cardano to everyone, which is now worth like a couple grand at least, which is fucking crazy. Don't do that. Don't send your money to people on the internet. Unless it's me. You guys are, more than welcome to tip me. Happy Monday, though, guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers. I appreciate you guys for joining me. I gotta go to the dentist again tomorrow for my follow-up appointment. And then I can start using my whitening kit. I haven't been to the dentist in like 6 years. And so my mom's a dental hygienist. I got in trouble. Because I haven't had a cleaning in forever. I will say, though, for the lack of dentistry visits, I only had like 2 cavities, which is quite impressive. Cody said, I promised I'd send mine back once ADA hit all-time high again. Yeah, I'm taking daily selfies until ADA hits all-time high. I'm over 100 right now. I started I started 100 days ago, over 100 days ago. Been a crazy, wild ride, that's for sure. Been a lot of fun, though. Tom Selleck's Goat said, but do you floss? Not as much as I should. Not as much as I should. That I always get in trouble for. My mom's like, are you flossing? And I'm like, eh. She's like, you need to be. I'm like, okay, shit. Congratulations, Hoffs, on your victory. The lore gets thicker with every match. Hoffs versus Fahid, tied neck and neck. Fahid now behind by 2. Waterfly catching up quickly. Money on the board. A couple of other people also in the game. I asked Hoffs to send me, he said I needed to do some kind of table or something and just have it where people can check all the time where the standings are. But he never sent me anything. So Hoffs, this is me calling you out. Send me that shit so I can set something up. Because I don't know what I'm doing. You're the sports guy. Let's see. Ando wants to be green. Swede doesn't want to do nothing. SNEK is trying to do something. Bitcoin. Yeah, it's gonna be a boring close again, isn't it? Yep. Yep, yep, yep. That's pretty close. 10 bucks? 10 bucks and 4 cents? That's very close. Okay. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. We got 11 likes. Nice. You guys killed it. Absolute legends, every single one of you. Let's look at some charts, see if we can determine some information. Oops. Actually, you know what? Let's go ask Grok if we're entering a recession. I gotta take this hoodie off. I'm sorry. St. Patrick's Day is over in my house. It's freaking hot. As of March 17th, 2025, it's tough to say definitively whether the United States is entering recession, but there are some mixed signals worth considering. A recession is typically defined as a significant decline in economic activity across multiple sectors, lasting more than a few months, often marked by 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. Let's break down what we're seeing. Okay, here we go. It's going to be a mouthful, so bear with me. On one hand, there are warning signs. Consumer confidence has been sliding. Recent reports show it dropped sharply in February, the biggest decline since August 2021, reflecting growing pessimism about the economy. Hiring slowed in February too, and unemployment edged up slightly, though it's still relatively low. The Atlanta Fed's GDP now model recently estimated a minus 2.4% annualized decline for Q1 2025, which, if it holds, could signal trouble ahead. An inverted yield curve, where short-term treasury yields exceed long-term ones, has also historically been a reliable recession predictor. And while it's not currently inverted as of mid-March, 10-year at 4.3% versus 2-year at 4.0%, it's been a concern in recent years. Add in policy uncertainties like tariffs and government spending cuts under the new administration, and you've got some folks worried about a downturn in 2025. On the flip side, the economy's got some resilience. GDP grew solidly in 2024, 3.1% in Q3 and 2.3% in Q4. And consumer spending, which drives about 70% of the economy, has held up despite inflation worries. The labor market isn't collapsing. Unemployment is still near historic lows, around 4.4%, and wages are rising, albeit slowly. The Conference Board's leading economic index dipped in January, but its 6-month decline was milder than before, suggesting a slowdown rather than an imminent crash. Some economists argue that strong household and corporate balance sheets could cushion any blows, and the Fed's rate cuts in late 2024, down to 4.25 to 4.5, might still soften the landing. The wild card here is policy. Tariffs could spike inflation and crimp growth if they disrupt trade too much, while deportations or spending cuts could shrink the labor force and consumer base. But it's early days. Those effects might not hit hard until 2026. Interesting. Prediction models vary. JP Morgan pegs a 31% chance of recession by late 2025, while others, like Bankrate's survey, see only 26% odds through the year, citing momentum from 2024. So is a recession coming? It's not a sure thing yet. The data's noisy. Import surges could be skewing GDP estimates, and sentiment might be overreacting to uncertainty. We'd need more months of consistent decline across jobs, spending, and output to call it. For now, it looks like a cooling economy with risks tilting upward, but not a done deal. What do you think? Any specific indicators? Okay, it definitely, yeah, Cody said we're in a recession right now. That's how I feel, because they changed the definition. I feel like we've been in a recession for quite some time. And feeling trippy from the text JJ roofing us. It is pretty trippy, isn't it? Oh god, it's even worse on YouTube. Yeah, it's hard to read. I feel like we've been in a recession. I feel like people are like doom posting so hard right now. It definitely seems like they're trying to get people to be bearish on Twitter or on X. So that makes me not want to be bearish at all. Tom Salads Goats at Hoff's going to tokenize the daily close game on Chili's. Right. Yeah, I don't know. It's very, very interesting. So do you think the cryptocurrency market is going to be bullish or bearish overall for 2025, considering current conditions? Here, maybe if I zoom in, it'll make it easier to read. As of March 17th, 2025, predicting. Okay, I'm just going to read the TLDR at the very, very bottom. There's a case for a bullish turn later in 2025. Historically, March has been a reversal point. 2017 and 2021 saw shakeouts before massive bull runs. Bitcoin's last halving year, April 2024, cut supply, and past cycle shows price surges 12 to 18 months later, pointing to mid-2025. Trump's pro-crypto stance with talk of a Bitcoin reserve and lighter regulations could spark optimism. Post-inauguration, spot Bitcoin ETFs have already pulled in $36 billion since January 2024, and if inflows resume, that could fuel a rally. Analysts like those at Standard Chartered see Bitcoin hitting 200K by year end, driven by institutional adoption and a weakening dollar if M2 money supply grows. Altcoins could flow, with some X users predicting 10x to 100x gains as money rotates from Bitcoin. The bearish case isn't weak though. Debt levels are ballooning. U.S. federal debt hit $35 trillion in 2024, and inflation sticky with CPI still above 3%. If the Fed hikes rates, market odds are 20% for June. Crypto could bleed more as investors flee to bonds. Regulatory risks loom. New IRS rules for crypto brokers and potential SEC crackdowns could stifle growth. Geopolitical tensions or a trade war from Trump's tariffs might also tank risk appetite if Bitcoin cracks 80K. Technicals suggest a drop to 60K, dragging the market down with it. Current conditions lean bearish short term, a consolidation phase with downside risk. Total market caps at 2.8 trillion. If it's 3.3 trillion high and exchange balances are dropping, hinting at low selling pressure, but also low buying enthusiasm. Yet a setup for late 2025 looks bullish if macro. Okay, so it seems like right now is the time to buy. Starts bearish, may dip 60 to 70 for Bitcoin by Q2, then flips bullish by Q3 for potentially hitting 150 to 200K at the stars line. Too much hinges on policy. Okay, I like it. I will say I had like I was up way too late, and I was just like looking at the charts and stuff, and something weird happened with Total 3 and Bitcoin dominance, and I was like, whoa. So Total 3 wicked up, and it's gone now. They've since corrected it, but Total 3 out of nowhere wicked up to 2.67 trillion, which has never ever it's never gotten above 1.13 trillion. It wicked up to 2.67 trillion, and I was like, that's weird. What the heck's going on there? And then I looked, and Bitcoin dominance reflected that wick. And I put on my tinfoil hat, and I was like, something's up. Something's up, guys. Bitcoin dominance wicked down, wicked down to zero. It wicked down to zero. What the fuck happened? Hello? I have no clue what happened. Obviously, it was just a trading view glitch, probably. But my brain was like, what if the tethered FUD thing was like legit? Or what if there's more going on than we're aware, and somebody accidentally pushed the wrong button and fully inflated the market a little too early? I was like, is this the market maker simulation? It freaked me out. I was like, holy crap. They accidentally like revealed the entire game plan for 2025, 2026 bull run. Blew my mind. Blew my mind. I was way too tired, and I was probably had an edible, but it was definitely entertaining. I was like, what the hell? Freaking out, trying to figure out what the heck was going on. It's crazy. It was freaking crazy, man. Super crazy. But yeah. Yep. Bitcoin still trading 83,882. Is liquidation heat map still broken? Let's check our coin market cap thingy. Fear and greed is at 25. Altcoin season index is at 20. So it's trying to recover. Over the last 90 days, everything else still looks like doo-doo, except for this BS Trump and whatever the heck Ohm is. Oh my gosh, look at Jasmine down here. Wow. Yeah, any of these coins that are down like 60%. Oh no, Avalanche is in there. Crap. I don't know, man. The community just has to kind of realize if they want to be there or not. It definitely seems like they don't. Let's go check the traditional fear and greed. Currently at 34, which is just regular old fear, apparently. This is after the daily close. So it is today's fear and greed, which is nice. And yeah. Yep. Still not a whole lot of action going on in the market. We're trying to be green. We're trying to be red. Everyone's trying to figure out what they want to do for St. Patrick's Day. Let's do a quick update on our stream portfolio. Our 1K to 10K Grok portfolio is currently sitting at $831, which is $169. Nice. Short of our original initial investment. Not too bad. ADA's propping this whole thing up with Proppy, and followed by Render and Near and Aptos, and then Ondo, Shib, Sol, Doge, and AGIX are dragging it down. Next, we got our Memecoin portfolio post Libra. We initially invested $1,000 into this as well. It's currently down $289, being held up by Pepe, Whip, and Doge, and SNEK, and Giga. Giga's really bad. I guess Pepe is really the last one holding it up. And then I guess with Doge and SNEK aren't doing that great, and Giga's really getting shafted pretty damn hard. And then our narrative portfolio. This has real-world assets, a decentralized physical infrastructure, meme coins, artificial intelligence, and gaming. As of right now, meme coins are holding it up, followed by gaming and, I believe, real-world assets. It might be decentralized. No, this is real-world assets. Tau is DPIN, and FET is AI. So this initial investment was only $500, so we were almost back to break even. We're only down $27 right now, so not that far off. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad at all. Let's see. Oh, we got 847 subs now. Don't forget to share the stream, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is mid-April. That would be pretty sick. But you guys are killing it. I appreciate you guys for real. Let's see. Let's go browse coin market cap, actually. Let's do that. Let's see if anything's green and what's trending. Trending, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cake. Interesting. BNB. I've been seeing a lot of weird BNB news. Like CZ's like plotting some freaky stuff with BNB. Six up from 506 to 632. Wow. Actually kind of impressive. Yeah, BNB has like consistently been super steady in the market for quite some time. I'm at a point now where I think if you're not like if you bearish on BNB, you're probably just a hater. Look at this. This thing's consistently outperforming. That's impressive. Regardless of what you think of the guy. Max supply though, I don't know. Can they sketch some stuff out? I'm sure. I don't think that they would though. They're probably making more money with this being good than they would if they just rugged it. I don't know. Maybe is BNB gonna? Yeah, BNB already flipped Sol quite some time ago, it seems. So BNB meme coins are probably the future. Let's go see what the volume looks like. You know what's gonna be really crazy when Binance Smart Chain flips Sol on volume. That's gonna be crazy. Mubarak. Yeah. Yeah, BNB was the original meme coin chain before Sol kind of came along. Interesting. Do they have their own pump fund? Because I feel like pump fund really kind of slingshotted Sol into the limelight. Money said, "Do you have BNB?" I have a little, not enough to brag about, but I'm probably maybe gonna buy more. It seems like a safe bet. I don't know how much like I'm gonna get out of it. I might use BNB as my own personal Bitcoin, like where I rotate my profits into. There's something about it, man. And that's why I feel like Tron. I feel like Justin Sun is trying so hard to be CZ, and he can't do it. I feel like CZ is just too badass. If BNB flips XRP, that's gonna be crazy. I don't know. Maybe I will buy some more. I don't know. It's interesting. It's interesting. It's interesting to watch all of these dynamics kind of play out. This Pi coin needs to just go away. This thing's a scam. Chainlink deserves to be in the top 10. Toncoin needs to go away too. I think Toncoin's a scam. I have nothing to back this other than just bias. So don't don't take it at face value. It's St. Patrick's Day and I'm sober, so give me a break. Wow, look at Pancake Swap. What happened? Did they inflate the crap out of this? What the heck? It's not even fully circulating yet. Oh my gosh. Is that what's going on? Where's the... Do they have a release schedule on here? They don't. Pancake Swap. What are you doing, man? I do not have any pie, no. I don't know. We actually... I asked Grok about it yesterday. I was like, can you tell me the controversy surrounding the Pi cryptocurrency? And it laid everything out for me because somebody else asked about it. And I know that there's controversy around it. I just don't know enough to say it myself. And Grok very nicely laid it out for us. So you have to KYC with the coin, like the blockchain, which is not decentralized. They launched for like pre-sale or whatever, like 6 years ago. Where did it go? First, there's the prolonged delay launching its open market. Pi has been developing for over 6 years, yet it still remains in enclosed mainnet phase. So they had a bunch of people buy a bunch of positions and they weren't able to sell it. And then they had people KYC, and then there was like right here, pyramid scheme allegations. Users earn more Pi, recruiting others. So they had a whole pyramid scheme. There was way too much controversy around it in order for me to feel comfortable. And this was like before it was even trading live. I have an app on my phone for years, and I did KYC and it worked. I can transfer it. Okay. I mean, that's good that they finally did it. That they finally released it. I just won't be buying any. I'm glad people actually made money off of it though. That's actually sick. But yeah, I'm not gonna be doing no KYC with any blockchain. I hardly like. I'm hesitant to KYC with a centralized exchange, especially after what happened with Voyager and Celsius and BlockFi and all of those other projects. I'm very, very hesitant to KYC. And it's not even against them. Like they can just as easily get hacked, and then my data is just out there, and my credit score is suddenly garbage because Joe Blow in frickin' Maine took out a loan in my name or some crap, because he he bought my social security number and driver's license off of the dark web. And maybe I'm overly cautious. I tend to be when it comes to the internet, but that's just me. Says the guy who's literally showing his face on a live stream right now. But yeah, I don't know. The world's a weird place. I enjoy it. Trending on DuckScan, Murbarak, I can't read this. Brat, Fort Knox, Wepe, and Tut. We got BNB, BNB, ETH. Interesting. Did Sol actually die? That's crazy. Very, very crazy. Stellar HBAR, Avalanche. Oh yeah, BitBoy. I saw BitBoy's back on his Kevin O'Leary, his anti Kevin O'Leary situation, which I think got him in trouble before. And the way that kind of unfolded in the past was really funny because they were ready to like fight each other, and then they literally like ran into each other on the streets in New York or something at some crypto conference, and they like dapped each other up, and then they took a selfie. They're like, we're best friends now because we're both too chicken shit to actually fight. That's literally what happened. It was the most cringe possible outcome, and now they hate each other again, or at least now BitBoy doesn't like him. I don't know, man. It's been quite an episode of Law and Order, I will say. It's getting crazy. Mantle. Is this the one that the Trump wallets keep buying, or is that something else? MNT. Or is it Mint? Oh, what did I do? Yeah, it's Mint, isn't it? No. I don't know. I don't remember. Anyways, guys, market's not doing a whole lot. Bitcoin's just chilling, 83,806 and 86 cents. Congratulations, Hoffs, once again for your victory. Enjoy your hot dog, your wiener, your victory wiener. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. Happy Monday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Stay safe out there. Don't drink and drive. And good night.